You got it. Okay. Hold in 10.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You got it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, but I'm just going to call in. So you do,
Okay.
parking garage.
That is a gorgeous unit. It really is.
Well, Nick had to take the other one back so he can redo the gears.
Oh, okay.
And